Hello Bladers. The summer heat is already being felt. Are you already planning your summer road trips with your families or friends? We got you with this fully equipped tips on where you can go this season in the great spots down south. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Drive down south this upcoming summer. Laia is located in the province of Batangas. This is one of the best places to go to for a quick getaway with your family and friends. Aside from the multiple options on resorts you can pick and go to, each resort also offers a lot of different water activities. Few ears were able to be reached by this beautiful place in Palabao, Quezon Province. Given the tiring ride, it is best recommended to take an overnight's rest in the place. Ombon Falls, Laguna Province. If you're looking for a bit of adventure without high risks, then Ombon Falls is the perfect place for you and your travel buddies. There are several rapids and water crossings along the way that aren't too difficult to cross. These really add to the adventure and make it a very memorable and enjoyable experience. Bathing in its clean water is a must for every tourist. Better make sure to feel the clean and natural water of the falls. Calaguas, Camarines Norte. This is a small island with an astonishing white sand beach, crystal clear waters and unspoiled natural resources. A place where you have that peace of mind you've been yearning for and you can truly relax while enjoying the pristine beauty of the place. Pete, Laguna Province. Pete is located in the province of Laguna and is known for its convenient day trip from Metro Manila, which is just under a 3-hour drive from Metro Manila. Yes, an awing view which would be Instagram worthy. Afterwards, trek about halfway down the mountain to the basin of the beautiful twin waterfalls of Matabanca Falls. There are actually many spots to mention in order to give you the proper options in setting your getaway with your friends and family. So, plan your summer road trips now and enjoy the southern area of Luzon. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.